Hello beautiful people, very good morning. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. It's your friend John. Guys, right now I'm in a place called Anandapali here in Kolkata, right? So this is a busy road here, right? And I spotted this, Chinese corner here. So well, the time right now is 11:30 in the morning. So they are preparing this delicious momos. Look guys. So basically, they sell momos, fried rice, chow mein, and other Chinese, food. Okay. So, anyways, I'm gonna explore and speak to these brothers here. And guys, if you're watching my vlog for the first time, please subscribe. Let's go, guys. And if you love momos, please subscribe. Let's go. Right, guys. So here we are. Now, this is the steam momo, right? This is cooked, right, brother? Ipagya, na? Ipagya. Guys, this one is cooked, right? And this one is gonna put this, right over there to, steam the momo here, right? So, this is how it is. Hello, those. You're fine? Okay, fine. Look, guys, the way he does that. So guys, if you love momos, you will definitely, and this is the ingredients for other Chinese foods, right? So they just preparing the ingredients. So after 2 in the afternoon, they're gonna start selling the food, right? This is how it is. Okay, so after 2 in the afternoon, you guys will sell दूसरा खाना बेचेगा ना, fried rice, chow mein, ऐसा ना, or chili chicken. So guys, look, these are the ingredients, right? This is the chow mein's chicken, right? So they have other ingredients down there as well. So after 2 in the afternoon, they will sell, chow mein, fried rice, and other foods, right? But they are preparing the momos at the moment, right here, right on top of the main road. This is the crazy busy road here, right? And this is the yellow taxi of Kolkata, guys. And this is how it is. And guys, let me tell you, right now in Kolkata is super hot, It's very hot in Kolkata, right? The degree is about, 33 at the moment. Look guys, so this brother is gonna boil the rice for the fried rice, right? So after he finishes boiling this rice, he's gonna boil this chow mein, the noodles. So after 2 in the afternoon, they're gonna start selling the food, right? So they're just preparing. So right now the time is 12 in the afternoon. So this is how it is, guys. Now this is right on top of the main road here in a place called Anandapali. And just beside this Chinese corner, they have this authentic street chola bhatura, right? Street breakfast that you get here as well. This is how it is, guys. So if you love Chinese food, if you love momos, you should let me know in the comment, guys. And this is the vegetable or the vegetables for the chow mein, right, brother? And fried rice. Bhai, tu fried rice bhi dhauta hai? Eta tu chow mein na? Oh, guys, this is the rice, veggies, and this is the noodles, veggies, right? Noodles, veggies. Look, guys. Yeah. one is the chola bhature, guys. You know, that you get here in the street of Kolkata. It's crazy, guys. You know, just look at those brothers. They're so hot right now in Kolkata, and they are just standing right next to the fire, and they are frying this chola bhatura. Crazy, you know. The rice is done, na bro? Rice ho gaya na? Look, guys. They pre-cook the rice, right? Look, guys. Look, guys. Now he's boiling the noodles, right? And the rice is, you know, pre-cooked. This is the fried rice. Look, guys, the noodles is cooked. This is how it is, guys. Okay, brother, thank you for your time. You have a good day. Bye bye. Okay, bro, take care. Guys, so that was me, your friend John, trying to show you the local Chinese that you get here in the street of Kolkata, right? And yeah, so I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. It's your friend John. Let's make memories, love, peace. I will see you in my next vlog. And guys, please subscribe. Take care, guys. Bye. See you soon.
Mañana